how to add MusicBot to Discord server. So first, go to your Discord server. Next is you just need to click on the name here at the top and then click on app directory. Next is just search for GreenBot. Now click on this one and then click on add app. Okay, now you just need to select your server, so this one, and then click on continue, and then make sure that all of these are checked, and then click on authorize. Now let's just verify it. Okay, now let's just wait. Okay, now click on go to how to mastery server. Okay, now here you just need to go to our voice chat. So for example, I'm going to go to this one. Okay, now here you just need to type in /play. Oh wait, play, click on this one, and then just type in the name of the music that you're going to play. So for example, I'm going to play 24K Magic by Bruno Mars, and then enter. Okay, now let's just wait for it to play it. And there you go. So, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.